The success story of Adley Formulations began from a small chemist shop near Chandigarh. Vijay Batra, who started his career at a very young age, was inspired by his father's medical profession and started a small laboratory that later went on to become Adley Formulations.
It was from the inspiration of my father. He was a renowned doctor in the Chandigarh area. This is fully inspiration from my father. Then I started chemist shop. Then I think there should be a manufacturing unit. It's my target. Then I started manufacturing in 1985.
For a simple arts graduate, running a pharma company was not an easy task. Vijay Batra had to struggle at many levels, starting from educating himself first about the medicines and their chemistry to managing crisis on the business front.
One of my friends, he guided me like anything. After that, I started one factory in Deravasi in the name of Adley Lab Limited. I have faced a lot of challenges. First off, shortage of funds, then shortage of technical persons, then technical labor also. Then I learned all the things myself.
Today, Adley Formulations stands tall with 5 manufacturing units and over 300 products in the market under its brand name. All the units are ISO certified and comply with WHO GMP practices. Currently, some of the major hospitals in India are using its wide range of products. Thanks to that, the turnover of the company touched 40 crore rupees last year, and the next target is to achieve a turnover of 60 crore rupees by 2012.
My group company's turnover is more than 40 crores. Last year, now the target is 60 crores. This year,
right now we have made our presence in all the metro cities and especially in Delhi. We have our product available in all the hospitals. All the hospitals are buying our product right from Apollo, Fortis, Shanti Mukund, HCG, Batra Hospital, this one BL Kapoor. All the major hospitals of Delhi, they are buying our products. If you consider Mumbai as a metro, we are supplying our products in Leelavati, Nanavati hospitals. So that's like in a 2-year span of time, we have made our presence felt in all the major hospitals in India.
Adley Formulations is among the few pharma companies in India to develop a high-tech anti-cancer facility with a sophisticated quality control lab. It has developed some new molecules in the oncology segment, which is the main focus of the company. It has set its target to become a leader in the field of anti-cancer medicines.
We are manufacturing all the tablets, capsules, and dry injections, dry injections, cephalosporin, that includes cephalosporins, anti-malarians, and with that we are major in oncology products, that is anti-cancer drugs that we are focusing on.
Our vision is to accommodate us as a leader in selling the oncology products in the coming future.
With the growing demand of anti-cancer medicines around the world, Adley Formulations is all set to enter the international arena. The company will export its super specialty oncology medicines to almost 15 countries.
We are now planning to go after our launch of anti-cancer drugs in more than 15 countries, and we have targeted countries from Latin America, African continent, Southeast Asia, and some of the CIS countries. We are planning to reach around 25 crores business by the end of 2014.
Adley Formulations is constantly trying to make its highly sophisticated products more affordable for the masses. For those who are unable to afford the anti-cancer medicines, the company has an open policy to supply a full cycle of chemotherapy absolutely free of cost.
In anti-cancer drugs, what happens is, poor patient, they can't afford the chemotherapy. The total cost of the cycle can go up to 1 lakh or 2 lakh or 3 lakhs. What we are doing is, on the demand of doctor, if doctors, that is a word to our customers. We say them that if any patient you see who can't afford a cycle, like what other companies do, they provide 1 cycle or 2 cycles. We provide full chemo cycles, everything free of cost to the patients.
Hadley Formulations, that started from a small chemist shop, has today entered the super specialty hospitals around the country. And Vijay Batra's 35 years of Odyssey is still on to conquer the high tides of international. Today, the Indian pharmaceutical industry is the third largest in the world with a total turnover of over $20 billion. There are about 250 large units and about 8,000 small-scale units that form the core of the pharmaceutical industry in India. As a result, this industry has opened its doors to millions of skilled workers. It is growing at an impressive annual rate of 9% and is expected to be worth over $55 billion by 2020.
The biggest strength for pharma sector is, first thing is, we are a pharmaceutical research hub. The Indian researchers are known for their research work in all over the world. This is the first important thing. Second thing is, we are all English literate people. I think therefore the communication is very easy with all over the world. And the third important thing is that we are very economic, or we are very cost effective.
Baddi in Himachal Pradesh, Asia's largest hub for the pharmaceutical industry. The massive tax incentive package in 2003 by the Himachal government laid the foundation for more than 800 units in this area. One among all those is MDC Pharmaceuticals.
We started our first manufacturing unit in year 2000, but started our company as a marketing company in 1994, just to make a marketing infrastructure very strong before starting the manufacturing unit. And in year 2006, we have started our second manufacturing unit.
MDC Pharmaceuticals began from a small workspace in Chandigarh. The founders had nothing but vast experiences that they had acquired while working in different pharma companies. Their dreams of entrepreneurship soon turned into reality, and today MDC is generating a turnover of over 30 crore rupees.
We started with a very humble investment. It was about 1.5 lakh. It's not somebody can believe it, but it's right. And in the last year we have reached up to the level of 30 crores turnover.
MDC has emerged after a long period of struggles and sacrifices. Even 6 years after its inception, the company was suffering losses while others in the market were enjoying remarkable profits. The risk of confining themselves to the research and development laboratory finally paid off when they developed a new molecule.
We have came with the product which the industry has followed us. Like that, our new invention was like that in Diclofenac. That was the first introduction by MDC. And now every country who is being there in India has got that product. So we have a privilege of coming with a few good molecules which has been copied by the international companies, even being our into a small sector.
Today, MDC has developed a state-of-the-art infrastructure which functions under the World Health Organization's guidelines. It has 2 fully functional manufacturing units that are ISO 9001 to 2000 certified. The company now boasts of over 1,000 brands under its wings.
In this unit we have a huge capacity where that we can produce a product more than 200 crores, and we have all the sections in tablet, capsule, dry syrup, in non-beta and beta lactam.
When it comes to quality, MDC is known to follow very strict norms. The cutthroat competition from local manufacturers often leads to heated arguments between quality and price. But MDC strongly believes that a loss in business is better than a loss in quality.
There are heated discussions and debate in the market regarding price war and prices, but since the quality of our products are very good and quality always wins, this is the way we are winning and doing our turnover with 30% increase every year.
With a huge infrastructure and dedicated workforce of more than 150 skilled workers, MDC has made its presence felt throughout India. And the company is now planning to enter the international market as well. It's banking on its next generation talents like Jasmeet Singh, who's all set to expand the business in foreign lands.
Now my personal plan would be initially to focus on 10 countries, out of which 6 are in Latin America and 4 in Asian part of the world. Initially it's 10 countries, then we will be going for 15 countries in the second stage. So we've got all the groundwork done, we've got the registrations and the stability studies done. Now our only focus is to get the registrations in those particular countries done and we are ready to go.
What started as a small marketing company way back in 1994 has today grown into a big manufacturing company. With more than 250 products under its brand, the company has envisioned itself to be a key player in the Indian pharmaceutical industry.